Welcome to learn software engineering. Let's start with experiment number 1. The first experiment is about write problem statement to define the project title with bounded scope of a project. In this experiment, we are going to write objective, theory, procedure, then output, and at the last we are going to write the conclusion of experiment. So let's start with objectives. The objective of this experiment is to develop the skill of clearly stating the purpose of a project. This exercise emphasizes the importance of understanding the why and what of a software project before proceeding to the how. So let's see the theory of these experiments. Introduction to problem statement and project scope. Before any code is written, a software project must clearly define the problem it aims to solve and the precise boundaries within which it will operate. Problem statement: a brief, clear description of the issue or challenge that the project intends to address. It outlines the current negative situation, its impact, and why it's important to solve. Project scope defines all the work required to deliver the project's product, service, or result. A bounded scope explicitly states what is in scope and critically what is out of scope. It prevents scope creep and ensures the focus. What is scope creep? The controlled expansion of a project scope, including additional features. It is a scope creep. Experiment output. Below is an example of expected output based on the scenario provided. Proposed project title: The Sweet Treat Bakery Online Order and Pickup System. Problem statement: The Sweet Treat Bakery currently relies on manual phone and in-person order taking, which leads to significant operational inefficiencies. So, bounded project scope is in scope first. Customer facing web interface, a simple mobile responsive web application where customers can browse bakery's menu. Then menu display, order placement, online payment integration, backend order management, basic user authentication for staff only likewise. Out of scope, user accounts, user profiles, delivery management. Conclusion: this experiment demonstrates the vital step in any software engineering project. Precisely defining the problem to be solved and bounding the project scope. By completing this exercise, it becomes evident how well-crafted problem statement provides direction, prevents misdirection, and sets a realistic foundation for successful project execution within given constraints. This initial planning phase is critical for guiding all subsequent software development activities.